Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I think I've got something pretty crazy to unbox. I couldn't remember who this was coming from, right, or who sent what it is that I'm assuming is in this box. But we're going to find out together. Might be pretty wild. Thanks so much to the person who sent this in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right. I think, if this is what I think it is, I think it's available. Well, watch it not be what I think it is. I've been trying to get my hands on what I think this is for a very long time. And I think that the deal is, you know, it's not usually very difficult for me to get my hands on something. Just because, you know, the reach with this channel is pretty far. But this, I guess, just like not a lot of people own it. So, and I kept getting closer and closer and closer to just buying one myself. But then we had somebody come through. I think maybe it is. Oh, yeah. It's not a Cibivi. So, I think maybe you can see it poking out of the end there. It's big. Hang on. Greetings and salutations, MC. My sincere apologies for my poor penmanship and grammar. No problem. Okay. Please enjoy this, etc. Have a good one. And yeah, thank you very much. Okay, so this is the gentleman. That's right. This is the guy who stepped up. Give him a follow on Instagram, or you might actually see him down in the comments. But he just mentioned one. He's like, yeah, I got one. It's just sitting here. I was like, cool. All right, so let's unzip this pouch and find out what it is. Oh my gosh, surprise! I had no idea they packed this huge thing into such a tiny little zipper pouch. What is this? This is the Paragon Estiletto. What's so special about it? Hold on. I love that you shipped it with the safety off. I thought for sure I was like, I'm gonna have to switch it. Oh my God, what a beast! What a beast! Oh man. So this is a single action OTF. To my knowledge, the largest readily available single action OTF. Very much makes me think of the Protect Dark Angel. Wow, the power! Oh my gosh, the power. It really is as close as I've been to wielding a lightsaber. Dang, and it's pretty solid too. Wow, okay. So what are we looking at here? CPM S30V. These are made in the USA. They are double-edged. This is, I'm going to tell you guys right now, the reason that I think people are fearful of OTFs, and also the reason that, I mean, aside from how they look and how they sound, I think the reason that people initially got the idea is that they were dangerous is because of these single action ones. Okay, the double action ones are different. These guys are under tension when they're, you know, cocked and loaded, so to speak, and are far more powerful than your double action ones. The worst accidents I have ever had, the worst accident I've ever had with a knife was with a single action OTF. I accidentally fired it into my hand one time, and you know, it didn't go all the way through, but it was not good. That does make these scary, because versus a, God, it's huge. I cannot believe the amount of power that thing puts off. So versus, like, you know, a double action, the reason I say this, I always maintain that double action OTFs are not only safer, but I think they're some of the safest knives, you know, out there. This is a Recon 40. You have to put a lot of deliberate force on that button to get it to approach the event horizon and fall over it so that it throws the blade, right? This, you're creating the spring force right here, and then once we get to the bottom, it's ready to go. So now, you know, it doesn't take much pressure to just put a baby, a little baby newborn, you know, I don't know about a newborn, but a very small child could come up, push this, and it's coming out, right? That's what's going to happen. Not enough force there to puncture the outer layer of a watermelon, I don't think, but enough to do enough damage that you probably wouldn't be, you know, walking it off, right? But throwing a Band-Aid on it. Yeah. So this is crazy, and I seriously, I've been after this thing for maybe over a year. God, it really is terrifying. This is ridiculous. This is an automatic pocket sword, right? I mean, that's really what we're looking at here. You know what's funny? They're really not that expensive. I mean, you know, considering what it is you're looking at, I know people are going to be like, it's just S30V. Like, just ignoring, just totally ignoring the obvious other elements here. It's S30V. Yeah, a little bit more than just the blade steel going on here. Never mind the fact that it's, you know, about 3 blades worth of S30V. And that it's a single action OTF that's made in the United States. But, wow, I'm really impressed by how solid it actually locks out. And I really can't believe that it's as powerful as it is. Whoops. I honestly thought there's no way. I've seen the videos. It's going to be sluggish. It's going to go, you know, it's going to be like, you know, somebody putting a bowl of spaghetti in one of those carnival, like, launcher seat things, right? But no. Bam! That thing's coming out. Crazy. The sound. Let's see if I'm gonna shut up and let you guys listen here. That's cool. Oh, I want one. Do I even have a I don't know if I have a container that will like hang on to it. God bless it. Ouch. That's the only thing. There's a couple of things I don't like. Number one, this lever destroyed my fingernail on that. I mean, there's some there, but the amount, I mean, it's not like impossible spring tension, but the amount of force you have to keep on that, right? It's kind of, it's not high enough, right? I don't know. I mean, it's hard to judge this. And I can't say that I've handled a lot of massive single action OTFs in my life, right? It does have a safety. You click that up there, and you push that button, and it will not release, which is how I assumed that he would ship it. Maybe he did. I was joking around. Maybe he did ship it that way, and it just came. It like unclicked while it was getting jostled around. I don't know. Yeah. The other thing that I don't like is this super corny lightning bolt here. What is this? Is this a freaking Harry Potter knife? Like, why is the lightning bolt on there, right? Because it's because lightning, because storm fast. Yeah, right? Whatever your reasoning is, I think the lightning bolt is a little bit goofy, right? Everything else, though, is really cool. This is a really, really cool knife. It's obviously a ridiculous knife, right? Let's not get ahead of ourselves. This makes absolutely no sense for EDC. No sense whatsoever, right? But it is cool, and my inner mall ninja, my inner couch ninja is absolutely just overjoyed, right? He's doing backflips, and he's doing all the backflips and front flips he fantasizes himself doing, right? When in reality, the best case scenario is just rolling off the couch to get more Cheetos. But yeah, that's who this is entertaining internally with me. I'm just going to speak for me, right? We all have an inner mall ninja, right? Let's not pretend. Don't pretend, right? All you tactical bros, don't pretend that you don't. You do. That's why you like this stuff in the first place. I feel called out. I feel personally attacked. That's because it's a personal attack. All right. That's it. I'm going to... I'm probably not going to EDC this, but I will, you know, take a closer look at it and give you guys my full comprehensive thoughts. It's going to be a review, right? Here in the next couple of weeks or so. Thank you so much to Corey, who I'm pretty sure is, sorry, I marked everything out on the, or not Corey, I'm sorry, Tom. Why did I say Corey? Tom, geez, Tom, I'm sorry. Thank you very much, Tom, for loaning this to me for review. Not a raccoon. He is not, in fact, a raccoon. That's good, because you know, for a while I thought, that guy might be a raccoon. But he is not a raccoon. But say hi to him. He'll be in the comments. Thanks again for sending this in. I'll send it back to you when I'm done.
Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.